Hi, this is your host. In Death Valley, there's something really strange going on with these rocks. For a long time, scientists were completely baffled by these rocks. They had no idea how they moved. But now we think we know what's really happening here. These rocks are moving on their own across the desert. Some of them move really fast, like 30 feet in a year, and others move really slow, like only an inch or two. It's not just one rock that's moving. Some places entire fields of rocks are moving, and these rocks are really heavy. Some of them weigh thousands of pounds. It's not clear what started this rock moving in the first place, but once they start moving, it's pretty easy for them to keep moving. A little nudge from the wind is all it takes to get them rolling. And once they start rolling, they can roll for a very long time. There are a few different types of moving rocks in Death Valley. The largest group of moving rocks are called the sailing stones. These rocks are mostly found in one area of Death Valley called the Racetrack Playa. The Racetrack Playa is a dry lake bed. It's the lowest point in North America. And for a long time, scientists didn't know why these rocks were moving across this dry lake bed. Now, the most likely explanation is that these rocks are moving due to a combination of wet, sandy soil and strong winds. When the playa is wet, the sand and mud create a slippery surface. Then when the wind blows across the playa, it creates a thin film of water between the rock and the ground. This allows the rock to slide across the surface, and as the rock moves, it leaves behind a trail in the mud. Over time, these trails harden and become part of the rock's permanent record, allowing scientists to track its path across the lake bed. Another type of moving rock in Death Valley are the rock glaciers. Unlike the sailing stones, rock glaciers aren't made of regular old rocks. They're made of huge blocks of ice that are covered in dirt and dust. As the ice underneath melts, the rock falls apart and flows down the mountainside. This creates a glacier that looks like a river of rocks. So while we now know how these rocks are moving, we still don't know why they started moving in the first place. It's possible that something as simple as a change in temperature could be enough to get these rocks moving, or it could be something more complex, like a buildup of underground pressure. Whatever the cause, these moving rocks are a reminder that even the most ordinary things can be strange and surprising. Thanks for watching.